Ephesians 4 verse 29 says, "Do not let any unwholesome talk come out of your mouths, but only what is helpful for building others up according to their needs, that it may benefit those who listen." This verse urges us to be mindful of the words we speak and their impact on others. It reminds us that our words have the power to either build others up or tear them down, and we should use them to encourage and edify others. Finally, it highlights the significance of being intentional in our communication and the positive effects it can have on those who hear us. Dear Lord, I pray that you help me to use my words in a way that is pleasing to you. Help me to be mindful of the impact my words have on others and to use them to encourage and build up those around me. May my words reflect your love and grace and be a source of comfort, guidance, and hope to those who hear them. Help me to be intentional in my communication and to always seek to benefit others through the words I speak. Amen.